Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to tell you about some 8 business ideas according to me which were very nice, very good, that came on Shark Tank India. And yes, another video on Shark Tank because I got so much love on the first video, and thank you for the love, and I hope you like this video also. So let's begin. I have penned down some ideas in my diary. I'm going to read that for you, and I've done थोड़ा बहुत research about these ideas. मेरा इन बिजनेस आइडियाज से कुछ भी कोई भी रिलेशन या कनेक्शन नहीं है, एक पहले ही डिस्क्लेमर दे दूँ. एंड आई एक्चुअली वन थिंग विच आई फाउंड कॉमन in all these ideas was all these businesses are actually solving a bigger problem present in the society. So that is why I liked all these ideas. So let's straight away begin. So first idea जो कि मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा was Alter. Now Alter is a brand जो कि smart helmets बनाते हैं, and they say that they are India's first such brand जो कि smart helmets बनाते हैं. So basically there's a helmet which is connected with an app, और उस ऐप में आपके कुछ कॉन्टैक्ट्स होंगे विच आर दी इमरजेंसी कॉन्टैक्ट्स, और इन केस ऑफ एनी इमरजेंसी और एनी एक्सीडेंट तो आपका लोकेशन उन इमरजेंसी कॉन्टैक्ट्स के साथ में शेयर होगा, सो दैट पीपल कैन रीच यू ऑन टाइम. और इससे अगर सच में किसी की लाइफ सेव हो सकती है, सो आई थिंक इट इज़ अ वेरी ग्रेट आइडिया. सो हैट्स ऑफ टू ऑल द फाउंडर्स एंड जो भी लोग इसको इन्वेंट करा है. So a very nice idea, and I like the idea a lot. Then moving on, another idea which I liked a lot was Getaway. Now Getaway is a brand who is making healthy ice creams, and these are also sugar-free ice creams and high-protein ice creams. So we all are now moving towards healthy lifestyle and making little bit changes, कि हम थोड़ा सा मीठा को कट डाउन करें और थोड़ा सा कंट्रोल करें अपने डेली के ही कुछ बिहेवियर में, तो उससे हम काफ़ी चेंज कर सकते हैं अपने लाइफ को. एंड पीपल आर नाउ मूविंग मोर towards a healthy living and all that, rather than just looking slim and looking fat. वो सब से अब उठ के अब लोग healthy lifestyle की तरफ जा चुके हैं, which is very good. Now Getaway is actually making a guilt-free ice cream which is high in protein, low in sugar, and they're also going to come up with some more variables. So for a guilt-free dessert, I would say just Getaway. Now moving on, another business idea which I liked a lot was the Yarn Bazaar. Now the Yarn Bazaar has created a website and also an app where you can find a number of people who have registered their yarn, and a number of there are a lot of buyers also जो कि अच्छा yarn वहाँ से खरीद रहे हैं to make fabric. So since I am from Ludhiana, so I know a lot about this field, like not a lot but कुछ पता है that see yarn एक मतलब धागा, yarn हम कहते हैं धागे को जिससे फैब्रिक बनता है, and there is a lot of struggle and fight to find a good priced yarn, and also for the manufacturers to find a good quality yarn to make a good quality fabric, and also to people to sell their yarn at a great price. So they have created a platform which I think is a very great idea. And जैसे मैं एक ऐसी सिटी से हूँ जहाँ पे लोग कपड़े हॉजरी की काफ़ी बात करते हैं, बिकॉज यहाँ पे काफ़ी अच्छी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है. So I can totally relate to this idea, and I think they have created a brilliant platform. Now moving on, another idea which I liked a lot was Annie by Tinkerbell Labs. Now this company has made a device for all those children who are visually impaired, और वो ये device एक ऐसा device है जो कि उनको सिखाएगा for a better vocabulary and a better writing reading experience. So if a person can actually read and write and improve the vocabulary through their device, so which is a very great thing. अगर बच्चे ये सब use कर सकते हैं, especially those who are visually impaired, so I think they have done a very very great job. Another company which I liked a lot was Oriro. Now Oriro is making wooden toys. So जब छोटे बच्चे plastic toys से खेलते हैं, they actually tend to intake a lot of plastic because children has got that tendency to put everything they see in their mouth. तो उसकी वजह से काफ़ी plastic उनकी body में जाता है. But this brand Oriro is making wooden toys, so which is very safe for all the children to play with. So yes, again I like the idea a lot. Another idea which I liked a lot was Spandan. So I think I'm pronouncing it in the right way. So Spandan is a brand जो कि pocket size ECG device launch करे हैं उन्होंने, and these devices can every household can have this device, and it can actually tell like when do you need to consult your doctor. बिकॉज काफ़ी हमने देखे हैं यहाँ पे इंडिया में, तो काफ़ी केसेस होते हैं कि सडन हार्ट अटैक्स एंड ऑल दैट. सो थोड़ा सा भी अगर अनईजी और हमको डिस्कम्फर्ट लग रहा है, so you can have this device at your place and you can check for any such cause, and you can immediately consult a right doctor, and इससे भी again lives save होने वाली बात ही है. So again a very nice idea. Another idea which I liked a lot was Bamboo India. Now, Bamboo India is a brand who is actually manufacturing toothbrushes जो कि bamboo से बनाए गए हैं. So these are sustainable toothbrushes. Again, solving a very big problem in the society. They say that जो भी first plastic toothbrush बना था इस पूरे दुनिया में, वो अभी भी exist कर रहा है. Since we are moving towards sustainability और हम अब एक एक educated भारत हो चुके हैं, so दैट्स वाई ऐसे आइडियाज़ में हमें भी इनको प्रमोट करना चाहिए और इनके प्रोडक्ट्स ज़रूर लेने चाहिए. बिकॉज प्लास्टिक हम जितना ज़्यादा अवॉइड कर सके, मैं ये तो नहीं कहती कि पूरा एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा, बट जितना अवॉइड कर सके तो उतना ही अच्छा है नेचर के लिए. सो इफ़ वी टेक सो मच फ्रॉम नेचर, इफ़ वी कैन गिव इवन दिस मच, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो टू मच. And then last but not the least, another idea which I liked a lot was created by Jugadu Kamlesh. Now, if you have watched Shark Tank, then you know about Jugadu Kamlesh. If you haven't, then you should YouTube पे आप इसको search करो about Jugadu Kamlesh, and this guy is amazing. Such a positive, passionate guy, and he's a farmer, and he has this company called KG Agrotech, and he has made a device जो कि farmers को काफ़ी help करेगा. Now he told that farmers को बहुत ही एक heavy सा एक carriage उठाना पड़ता है on their back, and they have to spray the medicine in their field उसको सही रखने के लिए, अपने खेत को सही रखने के लिए. So that load is very high जो वो अपने बैक पे उठाते हैं, which can cause a lot of problems. Of course we can imagine cervical backache बहुत ज़्यादा हो सकता है. So he has made a trolley kind of thing जिस पे आप अपना वो पूरा बड़ा सा एक कंटेनर रख सकते हो और वो आपके सारे मेडिसिन को स्प्रे करता जाएगा. द पर्सन जुगाड़ू कमलेश हैज स्पेंट 7 years ऑन दिस इन्वेंशन एंड हैज़ गिवन हिज एवरीथिंग टू दैट, एंड बहुत ही पैशन के साथ वो कर रहे हैं ये काम. सो इफ़ anybody of you who is watching a video can support him or do anything, तो ज़रूर करना चाहिए. And yeah, so again this thing which he has created is multi-purpose. तो सिर्फ एक ही काम नहीं हो रहा है इसमें, अलग 3 तरह के पर्पसेस के लिए उन्होंने बनाई है. सो दीज वर ऑल द आइडियाज़ जो कि मैंने अभी यहाँ पे शेयर करे, जो कि मेरे अकॉर्डिंग काफ़ी सही हैं. एंड आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू लिंक some of the links in the description box which you can see, and in case you want to connect with them or buy something from them, you can do that. So thank you so much for watching this video. Keep following me and on Instagram, and do subscribe to my channel on YouTube. I will keep coming with such updates in future also. Thank you so much, and see you all next time. Bye bye.